5 plants that will help you sleep like a baby. Sleeping is one of the most important activities for humans. Through sleep, our body is able to rest and repair all the damage it suffered during the day. Sleeping will also fill our batteries for the next day and keep our energy levels up. In order to sleep properly overnight, every little bit of detail counts, including the atmosphere in your bedroom. If it's filled with negative energy, you won't be able to rest properly, which will leave you without energy and make you grumpy the next day. In order to avoid these problems, you can purify the air in your bedroom of negative vibes with the following plants. 1. Aloe vera. The aloe vera plant is famous for its numerous medicinal properties, including the purification of air. Just put one in your bedroom and we guarantee that you'll start sleeping better soon. One of the best things about aloe vera is that it's self-sufficient and doesn't require much attention. The plant needs almost no sun or water and gives an exotic touch to our home. 2. Lavender. Lavender tea has been used to fight anxiety and stress since the dawn of time. It has a pleasant aroma which will soothe your senses, and its beautiful flowers will give a special touch to your home. Besides improving the quality of your sleep, it can also soothe the crying of children. 3. Jasmine. The strong and sweet scent of jasmine can calm your nerves and relieve anxiety, effectively helping you sleep easier. Furthermore, jasmine's aroma is very sensual and becomes even more intense as it fades. For best results, put a few withered jasmine petals into your pillowcase. 4. Ivy. There are very few plants that can grow fast and in unfavorable conditions such as ivy. It has pretty nice flowers that will enrich your home and a powerful aroma that is great for those suffering from asthma and other respiratory problems. Besides cleaning the air in your bedroom of toxins, ivy will also help you sleep better. 5. Snake plant. The snake plant is named like that thanks to its long and sharp leaves. It's native to Nigeria and doesn't need much water to survive, making it ideal for indoors. The snake plant emits oxygen overnight and removes carbon dioxide and toxins from the air, helping you to sleep better. As you can see, there are many plants that can help you sleep better and keep your energy levels up. They are easily available and cheap, so get one for every room in your home and you will surely feel more energized and relaxed.